Welcome to another rider. This question states that MPRN is a parallelogram. PQ bisects MPR, which is marked for us in the diagram. RQ bisects NRP, that is also marked. Q is on MN. It tells us then that PQRS is a parallelogram. And we're going to prove that this figure is a rectangle. Now the question we need to ask ourselves is, what is a rectangle? I hope I gave you enough time to think about that. Yes, a rectangle is a figure where all the angles are 90 degrees. So it means that we got to prove that one of these angles in PQRS is 90 degrees. Going to the actual proof, I've got my required to prove that the figure is a rectangle. My proof, I'm going to start off by saying MPQ is X. Now if that angle is equal to X, which other angle will be X? That's correct. QPR is going to be X. And the reason for that is, well, it's given. It is bisected. This angle P, which I'm looking at, has been bisected. Now, if angle MPR is equal to 2x, can we find angle NRP? That is actually equal to 180 minus 2x. And our reason there is co-interior angles. Now, they tell us that this angle is bisected. So it means if we take 180 minus 2x and divide by 2, that'll give us QRP to be 90 minus x. Now if we look at the figure QPR, this angle we've proved that it is x. Surely we can find this angle here, which is SRP, alternate angles. So PRS or SRP is equal to x because of alternate angles. Now, if we look at this angle QRS and we actually calculate that algebraically, we would come out with 90 minus x plus x, which I have written down, which is actually equal to 90 degrees. And that actually proves that this angle is 90, but it was given that PQRS is a palm. Therefore, we can now conclude that PQRS is a rectangle because we've just proven that this angle is 90. Thank you.